Why you need to invest 1,000 US dollars into Harmony now. Hey there guys, and welcome back to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about cryptocurrencies. But quickly, before we start, we have to tell you that this video is not financial advice and that we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. And with that being said, let's jump into this video. What is Harmony? In order to enable decentralized applications, or more commonly known as dApps, to grow, Harmony is a Layer 2 protocol based on Ethereum that provides quicker and cheaper settlements. 4 1,000-node shards are supported on the production mainnet, and blocks are generated every 2 seconds. An open network of nodes, run by a vast community, is the goal of Harmony. Pangea is the name given to the node community that consists of this particular node. 800 Harmony nodes are operated by the community, in the same vein as thousands of Ethereum and Bitcoin nodes. The Pangea network has more than 100 validators from throughout the world. Harmony uses an effective proof-of-stake (EPOS) protocol instead of a proof-of-work (POW) consensus process to choose validators, which helps to decrease centralization and speed up transactions. Harmony aims to speed up block formation to assist scalability by focusing on validation and processing performance. The developer's introduction of the sharding method greatly reduces the time required for a transaction to be validated. According to the Harmony website, it is a sharding protocol with a trustless Ethereum bridge. Using a sharding protocol, blockchain organizations may scale up and handle more transactions per second. By dividing the networks into shards, sharding increases the network speed. In terms of security, Harmony sharding is considered to be sound. A distributed randomness generation, or a DRG, method generates the randomness. This approach is unpredictable, unbiased, verifiable, and scalable all at the same time. In order to avoid assaults, the network is resharded by Harmony. What is the purpose of Harmony 1? This coin's function is not entirely clear. What's the catch with Harmony 1? In the real world, Harmony aids companies in creating markets for fungible token use, such as energy credits or loyalty points, as well as non-fungible assets, such as in-game digital assets. For a solid Layer 2 protocol for decentralized applications built on Ethereum and other infrastructure blockchains, Harmony is a solid place to start. Harmony sounds new, but if you are a lover of crypto, you will know that it has a good foundation. So why do we think that you need to invest $1,000 in Harmony 1 today? Harmony is now trading at about 19 cents with a 24-hour trading volume of $228 million plus dollars. The current live Harmony price is 19.2432 cents. Our ONE to USD exchange rate is updated in real time. During the past 24 hours, the stock of Harmony has dropped by 1.57%, with a current market capitalization of about $2.2 billion. It has a circulating coin supply of just shy of 11.6 billion ONE coins and a maximum supply of 11 billion ONE coins. What does this tell you? People are really buying and selling the crypto. Therefore, you need to invest now. This is not at all some theoretical reasoning, but a reality that people are investing in this coin today, and we think you should too. This coin has great potential, even when it seems like it's falling. It still had the power to rally back to its top, which is another reason why we think it's a strong coin to invest in. ONE benefits from Harmony's $300 million ecosystem development fund. A $300 million development incentive program was launched by the Harmony project in September, and it has since helped to fund bug bounties, grants, and the creation of 100 decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, in the Harmony blockchain. This is one of the most significant contributions to the overall health of the Harmony ecosystem. Since the program's inception, 23 decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, have been financed and deployed on the Harmony network, with more now under development. The incentive scheme has also assisted in attracting a number of protocols to the Harmony blockchain, which are now active in some of the most popular areas of the ecosystem, such as decentralized financial infrastructure or DeFi, payment platforms, and non-fungible tokens, that's NFTs, those initiatives that have become so popular these days. Harmony's possibilities are boosted by cross-chain bridges. The creation of multiple cross-chain bridges connecting the Harmony network with other Ethereum virtual machine compatible networks like Stellar and Polygon is another cause for Harmony's recent success. Harmony also deployed a cross-chain NFT bridge as part of the Horizon Bridge in November of 2021, enabling the cross-chain transfer of USD Coin or USDC and wrapped Ethereum WETH as recently as last week. The project announced a relationship with the Layer 1 protocol Cosmos in an attempt to further improve its compatibility and facilitate cross-chain banking. Let's now shift to an examination of the cryptography of Harmony. Conducting this examination, we are sure will give you at least one reason to invest in the coin. If you look at CoinMarketCap data, you will see that Harmony's token, ONE, or 1, has had a ROI, return on investment, of 3,668% from its launch. There were no notable rallies in 2019 or 2020, according to the earliest available price data on the Harmony 1 chart. As of February 14, 2021, the token's price had risen by more than 775% from its closing price in 2020. On February 23rd, the price fell to 2 cents, but then recovered with a price surge of 860% to 20 cents on March 28th. A new price peak was established on September 12th when the 1 token climbed to just about 22 cents before tumbling all the way back to 12 cents on September 21st. On October 26th, 2021, the 1 token hit a record high price of 37.9 cents during the 2021 bull market. As of December 31st, 2021, it stood at 37.7 cents. The 1 token's price movement in 2022 has been optimistic. On January 14th, it achieved a 7-day and a 30-day high of 37.7 cents, just shy of the all-time high. According to CoinMarketCap, Harmony 1 has had a market capitalization of $1.42 billion, making it the 58th most valuable cryptocurrency project in the world at the time of this video. This signals to us that this is a good time to invest. What is the coin's future price, you may ask? The price of 1 has been going down with the rest of the crypto market at the start of this year. After a huge jump from 21 cents on January 1st to 37 cents on January 15, 1 failed to get back on track. In a report from Binance, they say that the Harmony network went down for a long time on January 15th because of block propagation issues. This caused an immediate drop in the value of 1, which dropped by more than 45% in the following week. Even though Harmony's developers have played down the issue and handled it with the utmost transparency, network outages are one of the most serious problems a blockchain network can have. They have been very open about it. If a truly decentralized system is hit by outages that causes days of inactivity and less functionality, it could be bad for the project. By the start of 2023, Trading Beasts predicts that 1's price will be at 23 cents. We think it can get higher. They don't think Harmony will be worth very much in the long run, and they think that it'll reach a maximum price of 38 cents by the end of 2023. This means by 2023, if you bought the coin, you'll have 2,632 Harmony cryptos with $1,000. Price forecast for Harmony in 2025 and beyond. They think Harmony will be worth 33.7 cents in 2022, 40.2 cents in 2023, and 58.6 cents in 2025, and possibly even 86.8 cents by the end of 2028. Automatically, Wallet Investor thinks that Harmony could reach a price of $1 per token by March 2025. Suppose you decide to invest $1,000 today, then by 2025 you will have 2,632 coins, meaning that you will have made a double profit. Buying 1 token. How to buy it. There are a lot of places where you can buy 1 token if you decide to do so. If you want to buy ONE, you can't do it on Coinbase, but you can buy it almost anywhere else. CoinSpot and Crypto.com are the best crypto exchanges and platforms for people who want to buy just ONE token. As an expert in buying crypto, you can also find an exchange on Binance and KuCoin called ONE that you can use. If you want to use a legitimate crypto exchange or platform, you'll have to go through some kind of verification process that will ask you for your phone number, email address, proof of ID, etc. Always make sure that the platform where you buy crypto is safe. Wrapping up Harmony's price prediction. Overall, Harmony's ONE token looks like it's a fantastic chance of getting into a coin that is growing along with the wider crypto market. As long as the token doesn't go up in value too much from its current price, it looks like it will have the right things in place to keep it going from here. There are a lot of things to keep in mind when it comes to the crypto market. The prices of digital assets can change quickly, both up and down, which is why we remind you, please do your own research before you invest any of your money. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, then please let us know by leaving a comment down below, liking this video, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.